First of all, this is my OBS. Click on plus button and add media source, any lower third name. Okay, click on loop button, browse. This is your work lower third. Click on lower third file and next open, and okay, this is everything right. So add your file, the file you are in looping. Next click on plus button, text, gt plus text, scrolling text. First of all, I add any text, so I copy your message, just put this box, and next I select font, bold, size 72, I recommend 72. Okay, next I select color text color black. Okay, then every text transform uppercase. Okay, then right click on filter plus scroll. Okay, scroll plus how to speed, how much you need speed. I need this speed. Okay, then little bit left to right, size adjustment size. This is your lower third animation in OBS. I hope you are like my small tutorial.